What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn. Back with another banger, man. I said I'm back with another banger. I don't think y'all heard me. Nah, bro, I heard a lot about this track. I heard that old YB back. You feel me? So, bro, that old YB is a god. Bro. I still bump him now, bro. You feel me? I still go back to that old YB. Bro, he got so many hits, bro. This shit crazy, bro. You feel me? Real talk. But we finna check out Khris James and YB. You feel me? Dirty Slime. So I ain't gonna do too much talking in the intro. Like up the video, sub new man. If y'all want a shout out, just comment down below what videos y'all want me to do, and I'll shout y'all out in that video. Real talk, I got y'all. Hey, you feel me? Don't forget to sub up, man. Roll to 100. Love y'all. Let's get it.
Oh baby, yeah. Baby way. Fuck the other nails, oh baby girl. I ain't wanna know. For the other hoes, baby, you my world. Yeah. Riding around in a motherfucking coupe. Yeah. On my way to you. Baby girl, this ain't nothing new. This shit I've been going through. For that I won't run to you. 6 shooters at the one you love, I should've made them come to you. I ain't got no fucking girl, not trusting them, not even you. I told her how the people treated me, she said I made it. She called me, she asked me to come over, I was headed right there. That's all me. I told her come outside just for a kiss. Soon as I got it, told her bye, then I left. He's a dirty slime. Combo after combo, finish pussies, I say fuck. Lily shot.
Bro, this sound familiar. He's a dirty slime. That part right there. He previewed this before. He a dirty slime. That part right there sounds so familiar, but bro, you can definitely tell it's an old YB track. You can definitely tell. Cause bro, if you follow YB, you know his sound now compared to back then, bro. You feel me? I love the visualizer. Hard.
Come outside just for a kiss. Soon as I got it, told her bye, then I left. He's a dirty slime. Combo after combo, finish pussies, I say fuck. Lily shorty drive me round. She fucking up my rub. I told her I ain't trust. She found out that I love. Baby, hold me down like you need to. Girl, you know you dealing with a dirty slime. Blowing up your phone, I call like 30 times. Hey, said I feel you don't feel like that, I'm worth the time. Memories of you ain't really worth me crying. I hope you worth me trying. You know your worth for dime. At first I felt like I met you at a perfect time. Now it's motherfuck your feelings since you hurting mine. Don't call me.
Hey, real talk, nigga. Real talk. Hey, so you going crazy, my nigga? You feel me? So fuck your feelings, shit. You feel me? You hurt since you hurt mine. You don't care about my feelings. Why should I care about yours? Oh nah, I never thought we needed this. Hold on.
I'm just gonna let that phone ring. I tried to make you Mrs. James so I could brag like that's all me. Yeah, but these days that shit done changed. Ask some hoes about me, man. I bet they tell you he's a dirty slime. Combo after combo, finish pussies, I say fuck. Lily shorty drop.
Nah, that was hard. That transition was hard. Hold on. I gotta write that bit back.
I say fuck. Lily shorty drop. Combo after combo, they tell you he's a dirty slime. Combo after combo, finish pussies, I say fuck. Lily shorty drive me round. She fucking up my rub. I told her I ain't trust. She found out that I love.
Bro, the only bad thing, it was shorter hair. It been ending. That's the only bad thing, bro. Nah, they did that thing with that one. Hold on, bro. We need more of y'all two, bro. No cap, man. Shout out to YB. Shout out to Khris James, bro. Y'all did y'all things, man. Love y'all. If y'all enjoyed that video, don't forget to like it up, man. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one.